question. I will go back to the fraction here, Adnan. You were asking about fractions, right?
Yes.
Adnan, did you get what I said about plus 20 divided by plus 5?
Plus 20. Miss what? Yes, yes.
Okay, I said, Adnan, in mathematics, division can be expressed or written in two ways. We can write plus 20 divided by 5, or we can write plus 20 over 5. They both mean the same, okay, Adnan?
Yes.
So, if we have, for example, minus 48 over 8, this means as if I am saying minus 48 divided by 8, okay?
Okay.
So how can I get the answer of minus 48 over 8? I say the same rule applies here. I divide the sign by the sign. The sign of 48 is negative. The sign of 8 is positive. So negative over positive is?
Negative.
48 divided by 8. The answer is?
6.
So it is negative 6. Okay, Adnan?
Okay, now I understand it.
Okay, let's solve examples together. So here, yes, miss.
Miss, in the worksheet, there was minus 39 over minus 9.
Yes, so what?
Miss, how should we solve it?
Okay, am I solving the worksheet now?
No.
Okay, I will go to the worksheet, but let us finish finish these exercises, then I will move quickly to the worksheet. Okay, Ali?
Okay, miss.
So here we should perform. What do we mean by perform? We should get the answer of minus 7 over 5. This is a fraction, so we should apply the rule of division of signed number. First, I should divide the sign by the sign. What is the sign of 7?
Negative.
What is the sign of 5?
Positive.
So I say negative over positive is?
Negative.
And 7 divided by 5, we can use the calculator. If you use the calculator, you will get negative 1.4. Okay, guys?
Okay.
The second one, 1 over negative 2. What is the sign of 1?
Positive.
The sign of 2?
Negative.
So positive divided by negative is?
Negative.
And if I divide 1 by 2, I get 0.5. Here you can use the calculator, okay, guys?
Okay.
Now, 0 over negative 3. 0 divided by any number is?
0.
We should not write negative 0. Pay attention because 0 has no sign, okay?
Okay.
Now, negative 13 over 10. Negative over positive is?
Negative.
What is the answer of 13 over 10? This is a decimal fraction. Change it to a decimal number. What's the answer?
Negative 1.3.
Yes, negative 1.3. Let's move to the next exercise. Also, we should calculate negative 32 over 4. Negative over positive is?
Negative.
32 over 4 is?
8.
So it is negative 8. Now, negative 35 over negative 5. Negative over
Positive.
negative is?
Positive.
35 over 5.
7.
So it is positive 7. Did you get it now? What about what I mean about fractions?
Yes.
Now, 2 over 5. What is the sign of 2?
Positive.
And 5?
Positive.
So positive over positive is?
Positive.
If I divide 2 over 5, I get a 0.4. 3 over negative 10. What is the sign of 3?
Positive.
And 10?
Negative.
So it's negative.
Positive over negative is?
Negative.
And 3 over 10 is?
0.3.
Okay, let's go back to a similar question we did yesterday. Without computing. Who can tell me what do I mean by without computing?
Calculating.
We should not get the answer of the numbers. We only need the sign of the answer. Okay, guys?
Okay.
So let's go back to revise multiplication. I want to ask, please, Adam Hajaji. Yes, Adam. Adam?
Yes, miss.
We have, Adam, 24 times 7. What is the sign of 24?
Plus.
7.
Plus.
So positive times positive is?
Plus.
So the answer is positive. Do I need to multiply 24 by 7 in this question, Hussein? Adam?
No.
Because it is without computing. Thank you, Adam. I move to Zahra Dia. Yes, Zahra.
Yes, miss.
Minus 9 times 5. What's the sign of 9?
Mine, negative,
5.
positive,
So negative times positive is?
negative.
Thank you, Zahra. I move to Selena. Yes, Selena.
It's me.
Selena? Reem?
Miss, can I answer?
Miss
Sari?
Fahimia.
Sari?
Can I answer?
Who's this?
Can I answer?
Sam.
Hussein, 11 times negative 8. What's the sign of 11?
Plus means positive.
And 8?
Negative.
Positive times negative is?
Negative.
Negative. Thank you. Taleen.
Yes, miss.
Negative 65 times negative 35. Negative times negative is?
Positive.
Thank you, Taleen. I move to
Positive.
Fatima. Fatima.
Yes, miss.
10.6 times 9 times 8.7. Positive times positive
Positive.
times positive, the last one.
Positive.
So what is the sign of the answer?
Positive.
Thank you, Fatima. I move to Adam Arauni. Yes, Adam.
Yes, miss.
Negative times positive in the second line.
Negative.
Times positive.
Negative.
Thank you. I move to Huda. Yes, Huda.
Yes, miss.
Negative times negative.
Plus.
Plus times positive here in 96.
Plus.
Thank you, Huda. Jude. Jude. Jude, can you hear me?
Can I do it? Adam Hayek.
Adam Hayek. Positive times positive
It's positive.
times negative.
It's minus. Negative.
Thank you. Ali Basma.
Yes, miss.
Negative times negative
Positive.
times negative.
Positive.
Again, Ali, again. Negative times negative
Positive.
times negative.
Negative.
Times negative.
Positive.
So the answer is positive. Thank you. Karam, yes, Karam.
Yes, miss.
What is the sign of 97, Karam?
97.
What is the sign?
So I
Karam?
can't see the screen. It's plus.
Plus.
I
And
can't see the screen.
56?
It's plus also.
So positive over positive, what will be the answer?
Positive.
Thank you. It is positive. Now let
Miss,
me
can I-
ask Noura. This Kanai will answer after Noura. Yes, Noura? Who said Kanai?
Leia غريب.
Leia, -9/5, negative over positive?
It's negative.
Thank you. It's negative. Hassan Jradi. Yes, Hassan Jradi.
71 positive divided by negative
Yes,
is by
miss.
negative.
Yes, it's negative. Thank you, Hassan Jradi. Fatima. Fatima.
Miss, can I?
Who's Kanai?
Zainab,
Zainab. Negative over negative is?
positive.
Positive. Now look at this example in the last line. It looks big, but it's very easy. I have -3 times -9.7 times -8 over -7 times 12. This fraction, I cannot solve it directly in one step. I should find the sign of the numerator over the sign of the denominator to know the sign of the answer. I want to ask Aya. Yes, Aya.
Negative over negative.
Wait, Aya. I said, Aya, in such fractions, I should find the sign of the numerator, then the sign of the denominator. Negative times negative
Positive.
times negative.
Negative.
So in the numerator, I should write minus over. In the denominator, negative times positive.
Negative.
So I get a negative over a negative. What is negative over negative, Aya?
Positive.
So I solve it in 2 steps. Okay, got it, Aya?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Aya. Let me move to Razan. Yes, Razan.
Yes, miss.
Also, -7.2 times 5 over -8 times -13. Negative times positive in the numerator
Negative.
over negative times negative in the denominator.
Positive.
What is negative over positive?
Negative.
So my answer should be negative. Please, as I said, resolve these exercises. This exercise, I'm not going to solve it, but you can find the solution on the lecture. So if you open the lecture PowerPoint, you will find the solution of this exercise, because I need to move to the worksheet that we have for tomorrow, because on Friday we have a quiz. Okay, guys?
Okay, miss.
I will move now to the worksheet solution. So this is the worksheet solution that we have for this week. Let me stop share the screen and I will
Miss, I
share.
solved half of them.
Okay, this
Miss,
worksheet
I solved half of them.
should be solved all, not half, okay? For tomorrow. Now, this is worksheet number 3. This is the solution of this worksheet that we have for this week in the 2 lessons, congruent triangles, and in the lesson multiplication and division of signed numbers. I will go back to congruent triangles. Please, I want Ali Nasiruddin, please start reading the question, Ali Nasiruddin.
What are the coded properties?
Given the adjacent figure.
Given the adjacent figure,
Yes.
what are the coded properties?
Again, because many of you still don't know what we mean by coded properties, I look at the figure. It's very easy to write the coded properties. I look at the figure, guys. This is the figure. I only write what are the marked things I have in the figure. First, what do you see, Ali Nasir al-Din?
Angle ACH.
Before you
40
see the
degrees.
angle, Ali, don't you see a triangle ABC?
Yes.
So we say triangle ABC. What do we have in this triangle? What do you see?
BH equal HC.
BH equal HC. Then what is H with respect to BC? What do we call H?
Midpoint.
Yes, so we say H is the midpoint of BC, so BH is equal to HC. What about this angle which measures 40 degrees? Name this angle, please.
ACH.
Is equal to 40 degrees, right?
Yes.
What about AH?
AH, it's a height.
So these are the coded properties. Triangle ABC such that, as Ali said, angle ACB or ACH is equal to 40 degrees. H is the midpoint of segment BC, and AH is a perpendicular to BC or a height to BC. Do we have any other coded properties?
No.
Yes.
No. So these are
No.
what I see in the figure. I just say them. Now part 2, I want please in part 2, Maya. Yes, Maya.
Miss Carla,
Yes.
but AHC is given that it's 90 degrees.
Because I said AH is perpendicular to BC, this means that angle AHC is 90 degrees, Ali. You can write it and you can without writing it, okay?
Okay.
So now, I want Maya. Yes, Maya.
Yes, yes.
Please read, raise your voice and read part 2.
Show that the two triangles ABH and AHC are congruent.
So ABH, Maya, this triangle, and AHC, this triangle, why are they congruent? What do you see in these two triangles, Maya? Of course, only the marked elements we can use. What is the starting sentence, Maya?
Electricity went off.
Maya,
Yes.
what is the starting sentence?
This ABH
In triangles,
in triangles ABH and AHC
we have
two equal sides.
what are the
BH
equal sides? Give me the equal sides.
BH and CH.
BH is equal to CH by given, yes. What about AH? It is in the first triangle, Maya, and in the second triangle. So what do we call AH, Maya? So BH is equal to HC by given. AH is a common side. What about angle BHA and AHC? What about this angle and this angle? Are they equal?
Yes.
Equal to what?
To 90 degrees.
9.
Yes,
90
by given.
degrees.
So this is what should we write? And this is the ending sentence. The two triangles are congruent by SAS. Now, please, I want...
Miss,
yes?
the electricity went off.
No problem. Now, please, I want...
Can I say it?
Yes, who's this?
Ali Nasir al-Din.
Yes, what are the homologous or the corresponding parts, Ali Nasir al-Din?
The corresponding parts are A, C, H, and
Yes.
ABH.
Are equal.
Yes.
So if ACH is 40 degrees, what will be ABH?
40 degrees.
Okay, this is the first thing. Also, angle
AB equal AC.
AB equal AC and angle
CHA equal to BHA.
no, CAH is equal to HAB, right?
Yes.
These are the corresponding parts. I want to ask you a question, guys. Number 3, what is the nature of a triangle ABC? Who can tell me what kind of triangles is ABC?